Inquiry and research as a way of life. What does inquiry as a way of life mean? It means knowing the difference between an opinion and a fact. It means being open to several possibilities. It means acknowledging that there can be more than one reality. It means asking questions to know more and not taking everything at the face value. So, practice the following to seek answers every day. Engage in reading and exploring. Observing people and things around you. Continue being curious and asking questions. Paying attention and listening to what people say and how they say it. Keep writing and documenting what you observe, listen, and explore. Remember, to find answers, we must have questions. And we must keep asking. To know more, join our workshop on inquiry and research as a way of life. Email us at contact@guinnessplanet.com.